Welcome, Terry Roche here with Keller Williams. You know, quite often I get buyers, a lot, asking me, can I be inside the beltway for a reasonable price on a single family house, on a large lot, on a cul-de-sac that's been fully renovated? And I say, sure, 1.2, 1.3, 1.5 million, we can get you there. Yet they're like, no, I want to be in the 800 range, or 900, or 700 range. Most people laugh when they hear about that. I'm here to tell you today, this is no laughing matter. You will be shocked about what I'm about to show you. As a matter of fact, this is a very, very unusual property. I want to introduce you to 7108 Triad Way in Springfield, Virginia. It's on the border of Annandale and Springfield. You're right inside the Beltway. As a matter of fact, from this location, you're a couple of minutes to go to the Beltway, a couple of minutes to go to 395. You've got Fairfax County Parkway right down the road. You've got Springfield Town Center and all its shopping. You've got Annandale and all the cultural shopping and all the huge shopping centers there. You've got a 10 to 15 minute commute to any employment center from this centralized location. Very unusual. But the best part I haven't even gotten to yet. This house has been totally renovated. And I don't mean somebody's come and redone a kitchen or a few baths. I mean totally renovated. As a matter of fact, as you'll see through this tour, this house, top to bottom, has been redone. New roof, new gutters, new siding, new windows, new stamped concrete walkways, patios, professional landscaping, by the way, almost a half an acre lot, as I said before. Very private. New decking. Coming inside, the kitchen I'm standing in isn't just new cabinets and some new fixtures. This was gutted and renovated top to bottom. Everything in here is new. Flooring has been replaced as well. The dining room, the living room, all brand new hardwood floors. All the windows in the house, all the sliding glass doors, all replaced. Bathrooms, renovated and updated. Carpet, new. Paint, fresh. HVAC system, been replaced. As a matter of fact, there's been so many renovations, I had to write this stuff down because I couldn't think about how to possibly remember everything. By the way, something very important to know about this house. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. However, it's designed as a 5-bedroom house. So upstairs, the owner decided not to use the extra bedroom and to remove the wall so they could have it as a sitting room. So if you decide to put the wall back in, which isn't that expensive, you could be sitting on a 5-bedroom house right here. The square footage is shocking. You've got 4 levels in this house. The downstairs family room has got a full wet bar, a full brick wall fireplace, walk out to the backyard. You can even go down another level to a full basement that's not finished. I mean, they've been here 45 years. They've never needed the space. In touring this house at a list price of only $800,000, you couldn't replace this thing for maybe 1.3 million if you tried to buy a lot here and do the same thing. So I invite you to take your time on the tour, look through everything. If you have any questions, give me a call. If you'd like to look at a 3D immersion tour where you can literally fly through the house, we're going to supply that as well. Photos, video. If you'd like your own private tour, let us know. Entering the home through the double doors, you've got a marble floored foyer. Beyond that, you've got an oversized living room with new hardwood floors, matching real wood trim, brand new sliding glass patio door. Next to that, you've got a dining room with the matching hardwood floors, matching real wood trim, another brand new sliding glass door. Then you've got the kitchen, which is renovated literally from the ceiling to the floor. Again, wood trim that matches the cabinetry. Every single thing in the kitchen, including the walls, have been renovated. New windows, everything. And off the kitchen, you've got a large breakfast room and a very spacious bay window bringing in lots of natural light. Upstairs, you've got very plush carpet. You've got a layout for 4 bedrooms. However, in this particular case, the seller decided to remove a wall and use the other bedroom as a sitting room off the master. Should you decide to change that, you can simply add the wall, add a door, and have your 4th bedroom. Bathrooms have all been updated and renovated. There's a coffee deck off the master bedroom where you can have your coffee in the morning, overlook your quiet, serene, professionally landscaped yard. As we go a few steps down the brand new carpet into the lower level, you'll find another enormous room, gathering room. This time it's the family room. It's got a full wall brick fireplace. It's got a 4-seat full wet bar. You've got brand new windows again. You've got a full bath, and there's another bedroom down there, your 4th or 5th bedroom. Decide how you want to lay it out yourself. Another big bonus to this house is an entire 4th level basement that's unfinished. It's big enough that you could have a game room, you could have an office, you could have a workout room, you could have them all. It's that big. As you walk out to the backyard from any of the doors from the main living areas, you'll be on your brand new stamped concrete patios. You'll have availability of a child's play area, for example, an adult gathering area, a game area. The yard's very large at almost a half an acre. As you walk around the stamped concrete walkway, then you come around to your side load 2-car garage, which is really a 2.5-car garage. It's that big. Thanks for taking the time to tour 7108 Triad Way. If you want more information, more details, more views, if you'd like to see it personally, feel free to call me at 703-303-4010 or go to our website, allfairfaxhomes.com, to get more information.